Lord, thank you. Okay, let's take a look at the peg of the photo. Okay, can we take a look at the photo that we're trying to mimic here? Ayan! So you're gonna do all the 4 poses. Yes! Okay, gayahin nyo. Uy, kakulay mo si Nick actually dun sa...
Palit kayo.
Diba?
Kayo pa.
Oh, okay, so you can stand next to each other. Okay, let's look at the first photo. Is one where he has his arm around you and then he's taking a selfie. Ayan. Oh. Okay, one down. The next one is... Shall we go to the one below, which is your... ganyan. Okay, you want the one next to it. Oh my gosh, masyadong cute. Okay. The next one is you're behind him.
Ate, ROI ka na. ROI ka na.
Okay, last. I am close!
Winner!
Ano yan? Kulang pa yung binayad
Ako
ka namin.
nanonood lang ako.
Tapos
Pinipili ko masyado. Elena! Oh my goodness! Okay, we're just gonna wait for the photos to develop. In the meantime, what do you want to say to Jihun?
Opa, Sarah, good luck on your new projects, and I love you all. I will love you all. I love you all.
Mahal mo kami, te?
Another one? Huh?
아니 사진 하나가
네.
제가 안 나왔어요. The one photo I'm not in the photo.
My God! Grabe yung fan service, ha? Oo, next level, ha?
Dapat kasi iPhone na lang
And we
eh.
thought we could... Look how meticulous he's being with the pictures. He's making sure that you really get all the 4 shots properly done. Actually, kahit yung mga hindi tama, okay lang eh. Oh, ang dami mo ng pictures. So how many is that? I think you're getting like 5. Ikaw lang kasi to. Okay, thank you so much. Look at all of these Polaroids that you're taking home, taken by Jihun himself! Oh, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much, Elena. Thank you. And thank you, Jihun. Let's give him a round of applause. My gosh. So that's what we can expect tonight on the show. So that brings us to the end of our first segment, which was called Jutu. We made some really special and fun memories together on that one. And what are you doing?
Dito naman meron pa yan.
Nagsaselfie ba siya? Oh, baka ipapamigay niya yan later. Okay. Alright, so on that note, the special segments don't end. We're gonna move on to our next one already. We prepared our very own awards segment for you, okay? And we're gonna call this one the Juniverse Awards. Oh, legit. Okay, all right. The Juniverse Awards is a segment where we vote and talk about fun topics, all related to you, of course. And you guys all casted your votes earlier, no? On the way inside. Okay, so we're gonna take a moment to reveal the results right here on stage. Again, this is the Juniverse Awards, where the actor and the fans share their best moments together. What are your expectations on this segment? What do you think we're gonna be talking about the most here?
글쎄요. I don't know.
Ay, ang ganda ng English niya. Okay. Okay, all right. Let's take a look at the first category and its nominees. Let's take a look at the screen. Oh. How do you feel when you see Chu Ji-hoon in real life? That was our first category. These were the choices. Number 1, seeing him in person, no words needed, just applause. Number 2, seeing him in person, he's really tall. Number 3, seeing him in person, if you make eye contact with him, system error na. Or, number 4, seeing him in person, I totally understand why he has so many bangs.
All of
Okay,
the
so
above.
this is the panel. I'm gonna reveal the answer first and then we can talk about it. But what do you think is the popular answer?
3.
저는 2번. I think number 2.
What did you guys vote for?
3!
Halo. Okay,
Five.
let's reveal. I'm gonna turn this panel. Sana magawa ko siya, diba?
Marami sa mga
Okay! Here we go. Ay!
Maraming 3.
Huwag kang ganyan sa akin.
Maraming 3.
Ay, okay, alright, here we go. Let's see. I think the winner is number 3. Number 3, which is seeing him in person if you make eye contact with him.
Grabe, eye
System
contact.
error. Who voted number 3? Okay. Let's talk about this. Let's go through these things one by one. Although, maybe we can start with, the question of when you meet somebody for the first time, what is the comment that you hear most often?
실제로 보면 너무 크다고.
They say, I'm too big.
너무 크고 너무 까맣다.
That I'm too big and too dark.
That's what we like about you! Diba? Can you please give a round of applause to his unique beauty? Oh, it's what sets you apart. And truly, we appreciate that about you. Okay, let's go through the choices one by one, starting with number 1. Again, no words needed. You're so perfect, so all we can do is applaud. Can we all? I think we can relate to this. Just applaud. Ito naman. Okay. Number 2. It's about you being tall. Again, you mentioned that this is something that you hear quite often. What is an advantage and a disadvantage about being as tall as you?
장점은 글쎄요 선반은 위에 있는 걸 잘 끊을 수 있다.
Of course, a good thing about being tall is I can reach over to the top shelf to get something.
We need this in our lives.
그리고 단점은 모든 공산품이 사이즈가 맞지 않다.
But a bad thing is that the sizes don't match me that much.
We can adjust to you. Okay. All right. Actually, okay. Can we please have somebody come up here and stand next to you for comparison? Okay? Compare nga. Where are you? Come on down. VIP section, row E, seat 6. VIP section, row E, seat 6. Are you here? Ayan! Okay. Let's see how you compare height-wise to Chu Ji-hoon over here. Okay, I know that your height is in centimeters, 187 centimeters, right?
네, 7에서 9 왔다 갔다 해요.
It's around 87 to 89.
Ano yung difference na yun? Ba't may 2 centimeters na ano?
몰라요. 매년 건강검진을 하는데 좀 운동을 많이 하면 9점 몇이 나오고 운동을 좀 덜 했을 때 7점 몇이 나오더라고요.
I don't know why there's a difference, but every year whenever I get a health checkup, I guess it depends on which exercise I do every year. Sometimes it's 87, sometimes 89.
Okay, alright. What's your name?
I'm Tin.
Tin, okay.
파이팅!
So, 187 centimeters, sabihin natin, that's almost 6'2", no? What's your height?
5.
Flat?
5.
Oh, naka-heels na siya. Okay, so can we see what the difference is like? Oh, you stand next to him. Ayan ha, size comparison, okay? The height difference pa lang sobrang nakakilig. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations.
파이팅!
All right. Let's move on to number 3 on the panel. We have the gaze, right? Tama ba? Oo. If you look at him, if you stare at him, wala. Nagsa-system error na tayo. Should we check this one also? Okay. Let's invite someone to the stage. Check natin ha kung nagsa-system error talaga. You will stare into his eyes. Good luck na lang sa height difference ha. Silver, row Q, seat 75. Silver, row Q, seat 75. Are you here? Silver, ow. You're saying wala. Okay, let's move on to another person then. Diamond, row A, seat 21. Diamond, row A, seat 21. Meron? Okay, hi. Okay, so you're gonna stare into his eyes for 5 seconds and we're gonna see what happens. Hi, what's your name?
Mara.
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 Okay, Mara, here we go. We're gonna confirm if nagsisystem error na tayo when we look into... Wala pa, nagsisystem error na siya. Ay! Ito na. Hindi ba yun yun? I don't know if I can take anymore. Okay, alright. 5 seconds. Are you okay? 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Good luck. I think you might break down later. Okay. Congratulations, Mara. Thank you. Okay, alright. Number 4. Parang walang nangyari ng number 4 na agad. Pero really, number 4 on the panel, it says, seeing him in person, I totally understand why he has so many fans, which is such a beautiful thing to hear. What is your secret to creating lasting connections with people?
이렇게 사랑을 외쳐주시니까
It's because of how you guys express your love to me.
열심히 받아먹는 거죠.
I try to absorb it as much as possible.
Alright, okay. You know, I think it really just shows, you know, how much of a wonderful person you are to hear words like that. Okay, let's move on to our second category and its nominees. Let's put them up on the screen right now. Okay, we have, what is the most charming line you'd love to hear from Baek Kang-hyuk in real life? What was your answer?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Oh my gosh, ito lang yung first fan meeting na nag-shut up yung artist. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga fans niya. No, but I mean, you couldn't have done this fan meeting without hearing that today. Okay, let me flip. All right, let's see. I have a feeling naman, alam ko na kung ano yun. Oh, thank you. All right. Yes. To the surprise of no one. Okay, the votes are in. The winner is number 1, which is, ayun nga, shut up. Shut up. I even feel weird saying it in a fan meeting. Okay. Obviously, you know, from the show, The Trauma Code, who watched The Trauma Code, which was filled with unforgettable lines. Which is the very best for you? I know the fans voted already, but what was your favorite?
닥쳐. 속이 시원했어요, 대사실.
It was actually very stress relieving to say that line.
Actually, the way you say it, parang hindi naman siya nakaka-offend. Parang namomotivate pa nga ako. When I hear it. Diba? How did you come up with that way of delivering it, which has become such a signature for the show? Oh. One more. You want yung talagang parang
닥쳐! 닥쳐! 즐거운 마음으로 했습니다.
I just did it with a happy heart like this.
And maybe that's why it makes us happy to hear it. My gosh. Okay. Out of all of the lines that you have delivered though, okay, we're moving out of, trauma code zone. Out of all the lines that you have delivered in all the shows that you've done, which is the most memorable for you?
나한테 이런 여자 네가 처음이야. 이게 아무래도
You're the first woman to make me feel like this.
Is that a line or is that for us?
꿈때 대사예요.
It's a line I did during Koom.
But of course, yes. Princess Hours, of course. I mean, there are so many lines that we're gonna have to go through if we take them one by one. But let's take it to real life, right? Is there something that you say in your real life a lot? Maybe these days.
그냥 표현이라기보다 아까 나온 대사 중에 널 믿는 나를 믿어라는 대사가 없는 대사예요. 사실은 그냥 현장에서 제 입에서 나온 대사인데 요즘에 일하면서 같이 일하는 동료들에 대한 중요성이 되게 많이 느끼고 있어요. 그래서 서로가 우리가 서로를 믿어주는 게 되게 중요한 것 같아서 널 믿는 나를 믿어라는 대사가 좀 의미가 있는 것 같아요. 그게 중증센터 감독님이랑도 소리 주고받았던 말이고.
Well, it was also shown in the four candidates for this category, which is believe me who believes in you. And this is actually not part of the script. This was all an ad-lib that we made. And this is something that I say a lot and often because it is also a way I express to my fellow colleagues how much I trust them and how much trust that I receive from them as well. And during my shoot for this drama, this is also this is an expression that me and the director himself gave to and from to each other a lot.
Wow, ang ganda ng line na yan. Just give him a round of applause. My gosh, the ad-libbing, right? Became so memorable. Okay, let's move on to our third item in the Juniverse Awards. Let's take a look, and let's take a look at the nominees as well. On the screen, please. Ayan, okay. Which genre would you like to see more of from Chu Ji-hoon, which is romantic comedy, action, thriller, fantasy, and human drama? Which one did you guys vote? Halo. Okay. Let us take a look at the results. Let's take a look at. Thank you very much. Okay.
Diba? Romantic.
Oh! Okay, I think the first one is the winner. This is romantic comedy. Romantic comedy. Okay. We also had, yes, the other genres as well. But let's ask you, because we would love to see you in another romantic comedy, but personally, what is the genre that you enjoy the most?
저는 블랙 코미디를 되게 좋아해요.
I really enjoy black comedy.
You do? Oh.
네.
Yes.
Okay. Very simple. Okay. All right. Okay. Among the four, though, you like black comedy. That's a personal preference. But what do you think is the one that suits you the most currently?
그때가 생각이 다른데 요즘에 반응들을 보면 제가 아무도 그냥 첫 작품이 만화 원작이었잖아요. 그래서 그런지 조금 판타지 같은 것들을 저에게 기대하시는 게 있지 않나라는 생각이 좀 있어요.
Well, recently people have been loving my works, but as you know, my first ever work was from a comic. Was from an original comic, and I think a lot of people are waiting for me to do fantasies again.
Would you like to see him in a fantasy role? Okay, that's a yes. You're such a rangy actor. Your range is very broad, and I think you can really take on any role. And I think, maybe in the midst of acting, there must be moments where you're thankful to yourself also, right? When do you feel that the most?
제가 저한테요?
네.
제가 좀 뭐랄까 아까 블랙 코미디를 좋아한다는 게 뭐랄까 이거 깊어지네 갑자기. 짧게 정리해 볼게요.
So, okay, this is going to be a deep conversation, but I'll try to arrange my thoughts for you guys.
저는 이런 사람도 있고 저런 사람도 있다고 생각하는 타입이에요.
I'm the type of person who thinks there are various types of people.
그래서 어떤 캐릭터를 준비하거나 동료들과 감독님과 얘기할 때 뭘 이렇게 크게 고집하는 타입이 아니어서 그거 좀 잘 받아들이는 것 같아요.
So whenever I talk with directors or colleagues about a specific role, I don't have like this specific idea that I have to be like this, but I actually accept what other people say about this role.
그게 작품이나 캐릭터에 도움이 될 때, 그래도 좀 잘 받아들이는 성향이라 그게 좀 고마울 때가 있죠, 스스로.
And I'm the type of person who accepts what other people think about a certain character, so it helps me a lot to setting my own character as well, so I'm very thankful.
You know, and I mean, you're thankful to yourself, but I think your colleagues are thankful for that as well. And that's why you have such good reviews with your fellow actors whenever you work on a project together. So can we give them a round of applause, please, guys? That brings us to the end of